Hello everyone, this is Jem from Data Finance. Welcome back to our channel. Today is 7th of December. We are with you with intraday analysis. We will cover some news and then we will just go ahead with our charts. First of all, suddenly everybody just believed that Omicron is not that deadly. Actually, we haven't seen that much data, but like a market believed in that one because on Delta variant, after Delta variant, we have seen increase in deaths. So it's almost 10 days the first release of these variant, and in 10 days we haven't seen increase in death numbers. That's why market is believing that. So it's spreading fast, but it's not deadliest, or it's not causing more deaths. That's why it's recovering. So we see demand is recovering as well. All right. So we have received some data this morning, macroeconomical data. I will just share with you. And first of all, we have received data for Germany. So in Germany, the economic sentiment is current situation is minus 7.4. This is all because of the rising cases in Germany. So it is indicating that for the next 3 months, they don't expect a really good quarter, and they are expecting to close the year like this. This was it, and we have seen decline in China's trade surplus. This is mainly because of these shipping industry. As you know, China is sending a lot of goods to US and other parts of the world, but because of this shipping problem, they cannot deliver that on time, and it is just delaying for new exports. But at the same time, imports are rising because the demographic of China is changing. 10 years ago, there were only producer. They didn't have that much money, and people were only focusing on and making some money at the factories. Right now, they have saved some money. They are investing in some other things, and also they are desiring some other things out of China. So they just want to spend on clothes. They want to spend on some other things. That's why life quality is improving in China, and this is affecting imports as well. And also in rural area, there were a lot of farmers right now, mainly export of sorry, yeah, import of goods in China are mainly agricultural things. The population is huge, but they are right now focused on some other jobs instead of farming. That's why they need these kind of things. And also high prices of coal is another major factor for China import rise, because the price of the coal has risen so fast last month, and we have seen that effect in import prices. Even from Russia and Australia, it has imported a lot of coal to keep the industry alive. All right, let's start with our charts. All right, as you can see here, we are on natural gas chart. Natural gas is also recovering from losses. Reason is demand is coming back. The variant of COVID, Omicron variant, has affected the price of natural gas as well, because if there's a lockdown, so there will be less need for electricity generation, and electricity generation is mainly because of less polluting. Many countries are focusing on natural gas electricity production. So, because of this fear, with the fear of demand loss, the price has went down. But right now we see that Demand is recovering, so the prices are going at the critical level. As you can see here, 375. If it can stay above this line, it will try $4 and it can make good money. And as you know, the contract size of natural gas is really huge, 10,000. So even with one tick change, you are making a lot of money. That's why natural gas in this season especially is a good profit maker for your investments. All right, this is important. But if it cannot hold this one, it may try this level. As you can see here, it may try again 362 levels. That is important. Please follow natural gas prices. All right, let's look at Bitcoin.
You are ready to win with us. GAN Markets.
All right, we are on Bitcoin chart. As you can see here, Bitcoin is started to rise again, and the critical level is 54 level. If we don't see any increase, any rise to above 54 level, so still we may see declines in Bitcoin. Please don't think that it's over. 54k level is critical. As long as we are under 54k level, we may see further declines in Bitcoin. So sometimes like these fake rises make just people just think that all right, it's over, and then no more decline. But we have seen this one in Bitcoin that much. So in our charts, as you can see, 454 level is a place for further rises. As you can see here, after 54k we have seen all higher numbers, but when we have seen below 54k we have seen sharp declines. That's why it's important. And as long as it just trade like this, future declines in Bitcoin possible, and the important level is 54k in Bitcoin. All right, our last chart is silver. As you can see here, silver has declined fast, and yeah, just went on declining step by step. Right now, as you can see here, it is spending a lot of time at 22.30 level. It is just going up and down at these critical support level. So if we see a rebound on this level, we can definitely say it will try 23 and 24 levels. But first we have to see some green candles going up, like 24, 22.50, 22.60. We have to see those candles. If that doesn't happen, and we may see something like this. As you can see here, the same time of the period is same, and after that one another decline. It's also possible. Let me just show you something. And here, the same level. At the same level, it couldn't go further. Then people just get bored, and they have sold so fast, and it has tried to your low of silver prices, 21 dollar level. It has seen, and then it has recovered from that level so fast, and it has reached 25 dollar. So this is a break, or like a go high or go low place. If we just see a sell-off at this point, we will see so sharp sell-off. If we recover on a rebound from this point, then that will go up like at least 24 dollar, and it will make good amount of money in silver prices. But first we have to see some bearish sentiment or bullish sentiment. Right now, it's not making any move, and it is just keeping its price as it is. 10-year bonds are critical. These inflation data on Friday in the US market is important. If we see really high inflation data, then we will definitely see that Fed will be more hawkish, and we will see the prices of silver will go down because there will be pressure on gold and silver by US 10-year bonds. We will see that one. And if we just see relaxation in inflation, then we may see a rebound in gold and silver prices because I don't expect that so easy because there are a lot of problems there. But who knows? And if you see that one, Fed will be more relaxed, and the tapering issue and rate hike issue will be delayed to 2022, and that will be positive scenario for gold and silver. That's important. As I said, Friday data is so important for these commodities. Normally, when it comes bad, it affects suddenly, but this time things are different because if we see higher, then Fed will be more hawkish. It's important to note that. All right, thanks so much for watching us. We will be together on more news. We will cover more news. Have a nice day. Bye.